A simple Ayurvedic home remedy for cough. Equal amounts of black pepper, crushed or powdered finely, mixed with equal amount of crushed or powdered rock candy, not sugar, not the crystallized sugar, not the misri, but the rock candy, mixed together and taken 1/4 teaspoon for children and around half to 1 teaspoon for adults with hot water twice a day after meals should get relief with all the cough that is accumulated in your lungs.